gonna run out of time on this. I only had 2 minutes to begin with. I have 33 seconds left.
Hey, after I get done with the driver's thing, I'm gonna go to Fairfield real fast and go get more money and like come back. Okay, tell her that. Okay. Before you guys.
It'll be a Tamara.
Well, because I'm pretty sure it won't. I'll probably get here about 5:10 right on the dot.
Okay.
Should be here at 5, but I know I'm gonna have to really push it.
Okay, there's no way. I'm out of time. 6, 5, 4, 3,
Counting
2,
down.
1.